Good morning, I'm Claudia from Cake4Three. Today we see how to cut and fill a cake. We will use the molly cake that we prepared yesterday. I leave you in the description the link to the video to prepare the base. Let's start by cutting the cake. Today I have 2 wooden sticks that I will use as a measure to cut the cake into 3 layers. You can also use a regular ruler to take measurements. Start by making small cuts around the entire circumference of the cake. Then proceed with the cutting with a bread knife, cutting little at a time and trying to follow the trace made. Make sure you are keeping the knife as horizontal as possible while rotating the cake. Remove the cut layer. Proceed exactly with the same method for the next level. In this case I do 3 layers, so I make 2 cuts. Once cut, I reassemble the cake and mount it upside down, because usually the lower part of the cake has sharper corners than the upper part, which sometimes has a small convex or dome. I prepare the mascarpone cream by combining the cold cream and the mascarpone from the fridge. Then I add the sifted icing sugar. If you can't sift the icing sugar well, because there is too much humidity, you can help yourself with a teaspoon. If there is any sugar left on the edges of the bowl, use a spatula to fold it into the mixture. Beat with an electric whisk until the mixture is whipped. I fill a piping bag with the mascarpone cream. Today I have a tropical fruit syrup, mango cut into pieces, lemon jam and mascarpone cream. I'll leave you the doses in the description. I start with the syrup. Then with a layer of jam. I put a layer of mascarpone cream. And finally, I add the chopped mango. I repeat the same process for the next layer, soak with syrup, a layer of jam, 1 of cream and chopped mango. Then I close with the last layer of sponge, placing it upside down. As you can see, it is a little broken, but don't worry, once it is assembled, you won't notice it. The last layer must also be wet with syrup. I use the leftover cream to stop the crumbs on the cake. And here is the assembled cake, ready to be put in the fridge. Better if you make rest for a few hours or all night before being decorated. Thanks for watching my video, stay tuned for the decorating tutorial.